Imagine a state once synonymous with coal and bourbon suddenly becoming the epicenter of America's electric vehicle EV revolution. That's exactly what's happening in Kentucky, which has quietly transformed into the EV capital of the United States. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a state with such deep ties to traditional industries truly lead the charge into a sustainable future? Since 2020, Kentucky has attracted a staggering $13.1 billion in EV-related investments, a testament to its ambitious pivot toward cleaner transportation. At the heart of this transformation is Governor Andy Beshear, whose 2 terms in office have been defined by a relentless focus on bringing EV manufacturing, battery production, and supply chain jobs to the state. This isn't just about cars. It's about reshaping Kentucky's economic identity. Ford Motor Co. is leading the charge with a $2 billion investment in its Louisville Assembly Plant, where it will produce a new electric truck and develop a universal EV platform. This move isn't just about innovation. It's about securing 2,200 hourly jobs and positioning Kentucky as a hub for affordable, scalable EV production. But this is the part most people miss. Ford's new truck, priced at $30,000, promises to be as fast as a Mustang EcoBoost and more spacious than the Toyota RAV4, challenging the notion that EVs are only for the elite. And let's not forget the frunk, a front trunk that's becoming a signature feature of EVs. Ford's partnership with SK On in the BlueOval SK battery park is another game changer. This nearly $6 billion joint venture combines Ford's automotive expertise with SK On's cutting-edge technology, creating a twin-plant facility in Hardin County. While Kentucky 1 is up and running, Kentucky 2 has faced delays due to slower-than-expected consumer demand for EVs. Is this a sign of trouble for the EV market, or just a temporary hiccup in a long-term revolution? Health and safety concerns, including chemical usage and a bat infestation, have also raised eyebrows, highlighting the challenges of scaling up such ambitious projects. Kentucky's EV landscape isn't without its setbacks. Ascend Elements, a battery material manufacturer, scaled back its plans for a Hopkinsville plant, canceling a $164 million federal grant amid legal disputes with contractors. Meanwhile, Envision AESC's $2 billion project in Bowling Green has been largely abandoned, leaving promised jobs and output unfulfilled. Does this suggest that Kentucky's EV boom is built on shaky ground, or is it simply the growing pains of an emerging industry? On a brighter note, Rivian invested $10 million in Bullitt County in 2023 to expand its parts operations, and Tesla finally entered the Kentucky market in late 2024 after navigating restrictive state laws. These developments underscore Kentucky's growing appeal as a destination for EV innovation and investment. As Kentucky continues to electrify its economy, the question remains, can it sustain this momentum? And more importantly, what does this mean for the future of American manufacturing? Do you think Kentucky's EV transformation is a model for other states, or is it an anomaly in a still evolving industry? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about the road ahead.